Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to check PC or laptop driver versions in Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. First of all, please right mouse click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager. After then, click on any of the driver and select this. After then, click on right mouse and click Properties. After then, click on driver. Here you see your driver version here. Another way we can see all of the driver. So please follow me. Click on search menu and type over there PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and click on Run as Administrator. Yes. Here we copy and paste this driver and paste and enter. So we see all of the PC or laptop drivers here. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.